Hello everyone. Today I make a video on Husqvarna 372. This is the original 372 XP with this style cylinder and piston. Okay, this one was built I've built it from parts, completely stripped the case. You can see new gasket, a little bit of sealant coming out. Yeah, so new gasket, new bearings, check the crank, reused the old original crank. I have one here. This is a Chinese replacement, but this one is heavier than original. And by the way, this is the piston and the piston and cylinder I've used, Meteor. Good quality cylinder and piston. I had to do some transfer work because I'll show you on this one, although it's not this is not Meteor or original, this is aftermarket Chinese, but the Meteor one came with a big leap here, you know, on the transfers to the case, so it was kind of like that, 2 to 3 millimeter actually all around this thickness, and I've lowered it and grind it off, obviously smooth everything, exactly as this one. Bigger exhaust, raised up the exhaust, clean the intake, widen, you know, the intake, work a little bit on the ports. Yeah, so but this one is Chinese. This works as well. It was more like an experiment, but it does work. So it's actually, look how it is inside. I've made the transfers longer towards the intake. Yeah, it's all good. So same on the Meteor one, but yeah, this one original exhaust, a little bit bent here, but doesn't matter. If anything, I have another one from the 362 XPG. This is the original 372. The label is worn, but believe me, that is indeed 372. It runs good. This is aftermarket, you know, the filtration setup. Everything works. Just a nice chainsaw. I'll start it, and you can hear how nicely it runs. Labels are original Husqvarna, so not any copy, anything. So all the parts I'm using, absolutely everything is original. I mean, as close to original I can show you the labels. You see, that's it, original. Yeah, so because someone said to me, oh, we cannot be original now because Husqvarna, they don't make anymore these parts. I don't believe Husqvarna themselves made any parts, just you know, hired you know, companies and to do it for them. Maybe, yeah, they kept a close eye to the production, but I think they are still They are still original products. Yeah, this I'm not claiming this being original. This is Chinese, but I've seen it on many other chainsaws, and I believe it works. The filtration is quite, the filter and the filter mount is quite tight, so it will fit nicely. Okay, let's see. Hello guys, let's see how it goes. Maybe. And just to prove that the startup was kind of difficulties, very low petrol fuel. I don't have any more at the moment in my canister, so I've poured from a chainsaw actually into the tank of this, so but it runs, so I'm very pleased. It took me some time to fully clean it, strip it down, clean it. You know, that was the major. Not putting together. Putting together is child's play, if I can say that. But cleaning it is horrible, because if it was used for conifers, all that pitch, all that resin is very hard to clean. I found a spray which works very well. So this one is extremely powerful to any oils, grime, everything. It's a foam, so you have to leave it for a couple of hours. Everything will just come off easily. It's a little bit expensive. It's about £3 here in UK, but I don't know anywhere else. But worth having, rather than scraping it or whatever. And it doesn't affect the aluminium or the plastic. It just comes clean. Guys, yeah, that was all. Little bit burned the case here, but it's not all the way through. It's a little bit cooked, and that's because these mufflers are quite restricted. There is one more thing that I have to install on this one, but can be done later on. That's fine. Actually, I'm gonna change the screws, the mounting screws to the handle as well. And yeah, that was all. Yeah, I believe it's gonna be a nice chainsaw to cut with, especially with that Meteor piston and cylinder. Guys, thank you very much, and all the best. Thank you.